Good morning, Buenos Dias. I'm Dia and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 4 of my 28-day fitness channel. What?
Challenge.
I know. Welcome back, you guys. Today is the second leg day of this week. Yes, we are going to hit them again. That's right. We want to grow them glutes. We want to get them big. Monday, we hit those glutes pretty hard. So today we are going to do lighter weight with more reps. And let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, we are starting with the Stairmaster. We're going to warm up for 6 minutes. We're going to do 1 minute kickbacks, then 1 minute of wide walks. Then our first exercise is going to be cable kickbacks. I love these. These are great for the bottom. We are doing 3 sets of 12 each leg. Our second exercise is squats with a band. We are doing 3 sets of 12. Make sure you get low. Our third exercise is a curtsy lunge with a step, but you can take out the step if you need to. We are doing 3 sets of 12 each leg. And our last exercise is this superset. We're doing 10 sumo squats, then 10 sumo deadlifts. We are doing that for 4 sets. Welcome back, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that exercise. I'll see you guys tomorrow for chest and triceps. And of course, I would love your feedback, so do leave a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, or if you just want to talk. I'm here. I will be replying to all your comments. And of course, do subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can keep up with my 28-day fitness challenge.